Utility knife, hacksaw blade, scrap woodage, tape measure, evil twin, and 3 amazing tricks that are gonna blow your mind. But you're probably asking yourself the same question that my arch nemesis just asked me on the telephone.
Why you giving those tips away for free? Cause oh,
It's Tooltip Tuesday.
it's Tooltip Tuesday. Yeah! Tooltip free. Yeah!
All right, so this is like my least favorite tip out of all of these today, but it comes in pretty handy. I mean, maybe you want to cut some really smooth edges on your conduit, your plumber, your HVAC, on your metal. And, you don't want to use one of your recip saw blades because it's going to chew up the edges. And, your bandsaw won't get in there. And that's where you're going to take your hacksaw blade. You're going to use that instead. And you can cut that up, make it smaller, keep it longer if you want. But it actually works very, very well. Now, you can go slower, you can go faster. I'll go slower on this recip saw just to show you. But once you get this thing slicing and it dicing, it cuts, well, real nicely. All right, now that I use the variable speed, let's just go real fast. Now, tip number 2 comes in very handy if you're, say, building a deck. We got this mocked up like I was putting some joists down, and maybe you don't have any friends like me, or maybe you have an evil twin that you think's gonna help you but won't. So mean. All right, so this is where it comes in handy, this scrap woodage right here. If you don't have any friends, again, you got that evil twin that just won't help. Well, all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off a couple pieces of scrap woodage right here. And they don't even have to be exact. You just take one, throw a nail in there, or you could just use your hammer nail and keep that nail out a little bit. You don't want to sink it all the way down, but it's just for demonstration purposes. And now, you ain't got no friends, you're hanging that joist. And what's going to happen is those 2 pieces of scrap wood is going to hold that in place like such. And now you can throw in your hurricane brackets and tie those in. And well, that's real nice like, my friends. And as far as it goes with friends, who needs them? I don't. But anyway, as you can see, that works awesome. And the scrap woodage, it does not have to be exact. Heck, you can use an old 2x4 laying around. Tip number 3. Well, we've all been in those predicaments where we got a piece of wood, we got to slice and dice, and we got to remove things like that. Not right, that's not real nice. Like, but say you just got to cut a piece out, but you're not going from the end. You got to go from the middle of the board. And, well, again, I have no friends, and my evil twin, he simply would not help. I called him over and asked him if he would hold this tape measure, and he was basically like, nah, no. That's where I took things into my own hands. I grabbed that utility knife and I stuck it in the wood. Now, if you have a magnet at the end of your tape measure, well, it's going to work a whole lot better, but you could always take that and hook on to the back of that blade if you wanted to. But check this out with that magnet. That's real nice, like, my friends. And now I don't need my friends or lack of friends or my evil twin. I can do it all by myself. And that, my friends, well, that's real nice, like. Tell you what else is real nice, like if you smash that like button, get subscribed, hit that bell notification if you want to see more Tooltip Tuesdays like such. Man, if you share this out to your friends, they're going to like you a whole lot more than they already do. We'll be back with more videos soon.